Hello everyone, my name is Kanishk and I'm a student of MCOM Semester 2 Applied Economics. I'll be talking about agricultural laborers. So starting with its definition, agricultural laborers means the laborers who are involved in farming activities, and it also includes other laborers who are involved in elite activities such as fishing, poultry, bee farming, animal husbandry, etc. Till first Agricultural Labour Inquiry Committee, the scope of agricultural labour was very limited. It only included those persons as agricultural labourers who were involved in farming activities on payment of wages, and they work for 50% or more of total number of days in an year in these activities. To fill the gaps, second Agricultural Labour Inquiry Committee was held in 1956-57. It widened the scope of agricultural labourers. Along with farming activities, it also included various other activities like fishing, poultry, animal husbandry, bee farming, etc. Provided they derive 50% or more of their total income from these activities. Now, let's talk about growth and decline of agricultural laborers in India. If we consider 2011 census data, it shows a bleak picture of Indian agriculture. The situation is alarming. It shows a steep decline of 86 lakh in Indian agricultural farming. On the other hand, it also shows that 3.6 crore people have turned into agricultural laborers in past decade. It shows 54.6% of total workers in India are agricultural laborers, with an with a decline of 3.6% from past decade. As per 2011 census data, 26.3 crore people are engaged in agricultural sector, and more than half of them are agricultural laborers, a trend which has been observed for the first time in past 40 years. Next, let's talk about the category of agricultural laborers. Agricultural laborers can be categorized into three groups, that is family laborers, hired laborers and bonded laborers. Family laborers are small laborers who are not very financially strong, and they work, or their whole family is involved to work on a same field under a same landowner. Next is hired laborers. Hired laborers can be further categorized into two, that is casual laborers and attached laborers. Casual laborers can be defined as the laborers who are free to work under any landowner on any land on payment of daily wages, while attached laborers are attached to a specific land. They work under the same landowner on payment of wages. The next is bonded laborers. Bonded laborers are the laborers who either pledges themselves or any one of their family member against a loan taken by the landowner, and until the loan is repaid, they work under the same landowner on the same field. Now, let's talk about economic conditions of agricultural laborers in India. They have a low social status, they are underemployed or unemployed, they are highly indebted, and most of their times they are idle, they don't have work. Now I'll talk about improvements of agricultural laborers. How can we improve the situations of agricultural laborers in India? So, first of all, abolition of agricultural slavery. As per our constitution, slavery in any form is restricted. Setting up of Minimum Wages Act, setting up of various cooperatives, more and fuller employment, etc. Now let's talk about government measures to enhance the conditions of agricultural laborers in India. Setting up of Minimum Wages Act. Currently, the minimum wages prescribed as per the council is for town A, B and C categories is rupees 333, 303 and rupees 300 respectively. Government also declared serfdom an offence. The next is setting up of labor cooperatives. Government also introduced some land reforms in which excess land holdings will be redistributed to the landless. Government also introduced employment guarantee schemes. So these were some of the steps that government took to enhance the conditions of agricultural laborers in India.